This video is going to show how to import a PAD's layout design file into OrCAD X Presto, which may be necessary when collaborating with contract manufacturers, migrating CAD tools, or utilizing reference designs. Start by opening a blank layout in OrCAD X Presto. To activate a translator in OrCAD X Presto, select File, Import from the menu. Here you can import Altium, PADS, PADS library, and Autodesk Eagle files for translation to OrCAD X Presto. Select PADS. The PADS end window opens. Select the ellipsis for PADS ASCII input file to load a PADS layout file. Browse to and select the PADS file and click Open. Before PADS translation can occur, an options file must be saved. Click the ellipsis for options file. Browse to the working directory and save the file. In this example, we will call ours padsimport.ini. The path to the converted PCB file must be specified as well. To do this, select the ellipsis for output design. By default, the converted file path is the folder where the orcadx.jrl file is saved. Browse to the working directory and click Save. With the paths configured, we can start the translation. Select Translate. When translation finishes, select Close to close the window. Select View Log to view a log file for the translation. Read and close the file. The translated board must be loaded into Presto. To do this, select File, Open from the menu. Browse to the working directory, select the saved file, and click Open. The board design opens in the Presto canvas. With the PADS layout file imported and translated, you can now review the design, correct errors as needed, and continue with the design process. Quickly import a PADS layout file in OrCAD X Presto to reuse IP and accelerate your PCB designs. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.